since we couldn't be together for Christmas, and look, we're two together, I figured videotape it. So at least we did that much together on Christmas. That's why I came last year. I don't know if there's anything out here this year. It might have been picked through already, but we'll look. I guess if I trip over some big log or something, it'll be funny for the video. Hopefully I won't. I didn't bring my phone, so if I fall and break my leg, I won't be able to call nobody. Oh, the top of that might be just perfect. I might cut the top of that. We'll come back if we don't find another one. So far, no luck. Right about here is where I found the one last year. So far, nothing yet. Some big, huge one came in, though. That's too big, though. Oh, the top of that might be just perfect. I might cut the top of that. We'll come back if we don't find another one. Still looking. Well, it looks like a good one. Let's see, probably not want to get there. Nope, no bottom. Might go back for that first one. Not very much wildlife out here, besides dogs barking in the background. Oh, no good. No snakes. No bears. Might see a wild kibbe if we get lucky. Well, if I don't find a tree, this will be my exercise for the day. No luck, we're almost at another trail. Oh, nope. Man, didn't take this long last year. I took the top of that, but I think it was flat on one side. We're almost at another trail. This film looks like it could be a good film for a beginning of a horror story. Nothing deadly out here except for deadly stumps. That's a deadly stump. Oh, let's see, we're getting close. Get over there. I've only got 4 minutes of video left, so I better find something quick. I'm not gonna be able to see them when I cut down. Oh, let's see what would help that. Oh, no. Nothing over there. Uh-oh, some trees. Too little. But that's pretty close to the size of that last year, though. It's going on the tabletop, so I don't want it too big. Let's check down here. So I got found a couple last drops I'll come back and check on. But so far too small. I might get one of those evergreens. You know, we might go for one of them. See what happens. Let's go take a look at it down here. It might look pretty good. Oh, see? Ow. Rats. Let's see what is right here. Oh man, those two bulky looking. Dadgummit. Let's see what this looks pretty good. Oh man, not pulling up. Oh, so close. So close. That's one right here. What this one might do. I might try that one. Let's see. We might cut the top of this. I might try the top of that. Let's see. Picky, picky, picky. I don't want to cut it and start all over somewhere else. Oh man. Let's see. I think I might just go for the top of this right here. Go over the top of that. We'll try it. Let's see if I set a camera. And we'll get set up now. I'll show you a picture when we get set up.